Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Tuesday, December 3rd. Stocks backed off again, a little bit of follow through from the selling that we saw Friday. Ended up in the S&P down about 0.25%, 1799 3/4, down 4 1/4. The high was 1809, the low was 1797. The Dow was hit the hardest, down 0.5%, 15,998, down 68 points, and the Nasdaq was off 4.5 at 3483 as we see continued selling following through near the close, just like we saw on Friday. Dollar index bounced up 29, 80.94, 80.99 was the high, but still below that 81 level. The euro currency was down 47 at 135.40. Bonds almost a full point lower, 129.25 for the March contract. Crude oil finally bouncing up a little bit, up $1.10 at 93.82. Crude oil is now back inside that 10-day channel that we saw between 95 and 93 after going below it last week and making new six-month plus lows. Lastly was gold. Gold got whacked again, down 29 bucks at 1222. 1217 was that new low, and we want to keep an eye on the summer lows around the 1180 level, not that far off anymore. So after the continued selling yesterday, where do things stand on this Tuesday morning starting a new trading day? Well, we're off once again. We're off about another 0.25% lower right now. We're down 6 in the E-mini S&P at 1794. We're down 65 in the Dow futures, 15,935, and we're off 6 points at 3477 in the Nasdaq. The dollar index is seeing some weakness right now, down 19 points, 8075. Keep an eye on that 8050 level. The euro currency 135.73, up 33. The bond market steady and quiet. Now yields continue to climb. We're at 3.85% in the 30-year Treasury and 2.8% in the 10-year note. Crude continues to drift higher, 94.15 up 33, 95.50 is resistance up above to keep an eye on, and last week's low was below 92. And lastly, gold's not going lower, but it's not going higher. It's unchanged right now at 12.22. So to wrap up the current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're down 0.25% across the board, down 6 in the E-mini S&P at 1794, and down 65 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Wednesday morning for the morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.